You're forcing discipline, dragging yourself through tasks, relying on willpower, fighting your own mind every single day. And that's exactly why it never lasts. Because discipline isn't supposed to feel like a constant fight. If it feels like torture, your brain will always find a way out. Right now, your brain sees discipline as punishment and comfort as a reward. So of course you quit. But what if that flipped? What if discipline felt rewarding and comfort felt like a loss? What if your brain started craving progress the same way it craves distraction? That's the shift. And these 5 strategies don't motivate you. They reprogram you. Watch till the end, because the last one is what turns discipline into a reflex instead of a decision. 1. Make starting impossible to avoid. You're not failing because you can't work hard. You're failing because you make starting too heavy. So reduce it to something your brain can't reject. Not a full workout, 10 push-ups. Not 1 hour of focus, 2 minutes. Your brain resists effort. It doesn't resist action. Once you start, momentum takes over. So stop trying to win the whole day. Win the first move. 2. Make laziness expensive. Right now, comfort feels harmless. That's the problem. You scroll, delay, avoid, and nothing happens immediately. So your brain keeps choosing it. You need to expose the cost. Every time you choose comfort, call it out. What did it cost you today? Time, progress, self-respect. When your brain starts linking laziness with loss and discipline with progress, the decision changes. 3. Make discipline visible. If you don't track it, your brain forgets it. So prove it. Get a calendar. Mark every day you show up. Now you're not guessing anymore. You're building evidence. And something shifts. You stop chasing motivation. You start protecting the streak. Because breaking it hurts more than continuing. That's where discipline starts to stick. 4. Replace the dopamine source. You're addicted to scrolling, junk food, and entertainment because they give you instant dopamine. Discipline feels hard because the reward is delayed. So create instant rewards for disciplined actions. Finish a work session, 5 minutes of something you enjoy. Complete your workout, your favorite song. Train your brain that discipline leads to pleasure. When discipline becomes the path to dopamine, you'll crave it. 5. Publicly commit. Tell people what you're doing. Post your goal. Share your progress. When your reputation is on the line, quitting becomes expensive. You're not just letting yourself down anymore. You're letting everyone who's watching down. Social pressure is powerful. Use it. Make discipline a public identity. When people expect it from you, you'll expect it from yourself. These strategies are brutal because they force you to confront the real reason you're undisciplined. It's not lack of willpower. It's that your brain still sees discipline as the enemy. Flip that and everything changes. Discipline becomes the drug. Comfort becomes the prison. Start today. Pick one strategy, lock it in. Comment which strategy you're using first. Subscribe if you're ready to become addicted to doing hard things.